Good afternoon, Kaustubh. Can you hear me?
Good af- yes, sir. I can hear you.
We'll wait for 3 minutes. After that, I'll start different types of gambits I'll teach. After that, we'll go to puzzles. 9 different
Okay, sir.
gambits I'll teach.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Let others join. And that 2-3 minutes. First is Kilcher Gambit.
Okay.
Let them join. Let others join. Another 2-3 minutes is there.
Yes.
Kunda join. Okay. Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. We'll start with Guru Mantra. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. First I will teach Kilcher Gambit.
Yes, sir.
E4, E5, NF3, NC6, Bishop B5, F5. This black produces Kilcher Gambit. Kills, then pawn push. Queen is knight is forced to come here. It's called Kilcher Gambit.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Another gambit I will show. Tertian Gambit. D4, D5. Now Tertian Gambit. This Tertian Gambit. I'll show from beginning. Let another Gambit, Halloween Gambit.
Sir, what? Halloween gambit.
Halloween Gambit.
Okay, sir.
E4, E5. I'll do it again once everybody joins again. NF,
Okay, sir.
NC6, NC3, NF6. Now Halloween Gambit. This called Halloween Gambit.
Yes, sir.
This Halloween Gambit.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Sai Narayan. How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I am fine. I'll start with Guru Mantra, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. White to play. First, Kilcher Gambit. Kilcher Gambit. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4,
E4.
5.
E4, E5, NF3, NC6, Bishop B5, F5.
Knight into pawn.
This calls Kilcher Gambit. Black produces a Kilcher Gambit.
ಸರ್ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
ಆ ಪಾನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಸೊ ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಗೊಳತ್ತೆ ಆ ಪಾನ್
ಯಾವುದು
ಸರ್ ಈ ಪಾನ್
ಅದು ನೋಡಿ is Kilcher Gambit. Now I'll teach Tension Gambit. Tension Gambit. E4, D5.
ಪೂರ್ಣಕುಟಿ ಸರ್
Yaro?
Sorry, sir, I joined now. Can you please repeat what you're doing?
Okay, I'm teaching from beginning. Kilcher Gambit. Kilcher Gambit is E4, E5, NF3, NC6. Now Bishop E5, then Black produces Kilcher Gambit. F5. Now pawn push, king knight is forced to come back. Because Kilcher Gambit. This calls Kilcher Gambit. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು
Now I Tension Gambit. Tension Gambit. E4, D5, NC3, pawn push. Now Tension Gambit. This Tension Gambit. Now I teach. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು
ಮೇನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
Halloween Gambit. E4, E5, NF3, NC6, NC3, NF6. Now this is called Halloween Gambit.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
This is called Halloween.
ಸರ್ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸಿ ಯು ಸರ್
Can you see me? Can you see me
ಸರ್
now?
ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸಿ ಯು
Can you see me now?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್
Okay. Tension Gambit. This is called Halloween gambit.
Yes, sir.
Halloween gambit. Next I will teach you colored dog gambit. Colored dog gambit.
Colored dog gambit.
E4, NF6, NC6, NC3. This is called colored dog gambit.
Okay, sir.
Jerome gambit is I will teach you. Jerome gambit. E4, E5, N3, NC6. Now bishop C4, bishop C5. This is called Jerome gambit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now pawn push. This is called Jerome gambit.
Okay, sir.
Steinhaus gambit is I'll say E4, E5, NC3, NF6, NC6, D4. This Steinhaus gambit. Steinhaus gambit. He sacrifices the pawn.
Checkmate.
Steinhaus gambit. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೈನರ್?
Yes, sir. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು sir. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
Then Cochrane gambit. Cochrane gambit. I'll send a video after the class. At 4 o'clock I'll send. E4, E5, NF3, NF6, NE5, D6. This is Cochrane gambit. Pawn check. King into pawn. D4. Cochrane gambit.
Okay.
Maggio gambit. E4, E5, F4. This is called Maggio gambit.
Okay, sir.
ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾನಿಶ್ ಗ್ಯಾಂಬಿಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay.
Danish gambit. E4, E5, D4, ED4, C3. Now bishop C4, 2 pawns are sacrificed. This is called Danish gambit. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಡ್ಯಾನಿಶ್ ಗ್ಯಾಂಬಿಟ್. ಯಾರೋ ಕೇಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಡ್ಯಾನಿಶ್ ಗ್ಯಾಂಬಿಟ್ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದದು?
Sir, Kaustup.
ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ. And Danish gambit. This is called Danish gambit. Can you go to puzzles now?
Yes, sir.
One more.
One more.
Sir,
Sir, one more.
One more. Okay.
one more.
Yes, sir. One more to move.
One more.
Sir, three moves so ಇದೆ.
Three move, 4 move, 17 moves ತನಕ ಇದೆ ಕಣೋ.
Oh.
White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir,
UC6.
Which is
Sir, pawn.
correct.
Sir, pawn to c5.
ಇಲ್ಲ
no,
pawn
I
to c5
thought
ತನಕ.
I am putting
c5 ಆದ್ರೆ
sir, I'm
king will
putting
rook will kill the
blank arrow.
bishop. Rook will kill the bishop. That is wrong. Queen c6 is correct.
Sir, I thought I'm putting the black
China and-
arrow. Sir.
ಹಲೋ ಯಾರು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ? ರಾಘವ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು. ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಮೂವ್.
Sir, ನಾನೇ.
Sir, now pawn to c5.
Pawn to c5 correct. King can't come here or here or here. ಇದನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಬತ್ ಕಲೀರಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಮೂವ್. 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.
Sir, knight to d7.
Knight to d7 is correct. Very good. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಆರ್ಯ ಸರ್.
Arya, correct. King can't come here or here. White play checkmate black in one move. Correct.
Sir, pawn takes the pawn, sir.
Pawn takes
Pawn
pawn. Correct.
takes the
Pawn takes the pawn. Wrong. Then king will kill the pawn. Pawn takes this pawn. H7 pawn is correct. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಶೈನರೇ? Now king can't come here or here or here or here. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Very good. Thank you. White to play. Checkmate black in 1 move.
Sir, white to play.
White to play. White to play.
Q B8.
2 b8 is correct. Then move to 2 moves. So
Yes, sir. Two.
ಇಲ್ಲ
Yes,
ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರಾಗ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರಾಗ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
Okay, sir. Sir, stalemate. Stalemate.
ಸ್ಟೇಲ್ಮೇಟ್ ಓಕೆ. Black to play in stalemate. Black to play in stalemate. I flip the board. Black
Sir, in one move. Sir,
one
in
move. One move. Black to play. White is 1 move cup. You have to produce a stalemate in 1 move.
Sir,
Sainaran. That is not wrong, Sainaran.
sir, rook to c2, rook to c2.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ.
Sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
Rook to C3.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ.
Sir, rook to C1.
Rook to c1 ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ. Black to play in stalemate in 1 move.
Sir, sir, knight. Sorry,
Yeah, rook
king B3, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ
King
ಕಿಂಗ್
B3.
ಬಿ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣ.
Sorry.
Rook movement. Rook sacrifice.
Oh, sir, then
C4. Sir, rook to C4. Rook to
Then it
C4.
will be checkmate. It will be checkmate. ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
sir, rook to
C2.
sir, rook to c3, rook to c3.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ. ಹೇಳ ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ.
Sir, rook
Ah,
to
sir.
C2.
Rook to b1 is correct. Now rook is forced to kill. Stalemate. King can't move anywhere. Not in check. This stalemate.
Yes, sir.
Stalemate. King can't move anywhere. So soldier can't move. This stalemate. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಾವು?
Yes, sir.
Got it, sir.
White to play in stalemate. I'll flip the board. White to play and stalemate. 2 moves.
Sir, flip the board, sir.
I have
RH7.
flipped.
RH7.
RH7 is correct. Now next move what will you do? King will go to G6. What will you do?
Sir, rook to h3. Sir, rook to
Then
h3.
black will win. Then black will win. King can move here.
Sir, rook to E7, sir. Rook to E7.
Correct.
Draw.
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ.
Sir, Kaustubh.
Correct. Now rook kills it stalemate. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
king
sir.
can't move anywhere. King is not in check. This stalemate.
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Black to play in stalemate. 1 move. Black to play.
Sir, flip the board, sir.
Black. I flip the board.
Sir, queen to sir, queen to queen to e3. Sir, queen to e3.
Then it will kill it. It will be checked is there. No.
Okay, sir. Sir, queen to e1.
Then also it is not. King will move to A2. G2.
Sir, queen to C3.
C3 is wrong. Queen to C. No, that is also wrong, Sainaran. That is also wrong. Then king will escape. So
Rook to E2. Queen to
Allah,
E2, sir.
Allah kana, Allah.
Queen to E2.
Queen to E2, no, queen E2, then rook will kill the queen. The king can kill the rook. That is wrong.
Sir, queen to B2.
Allah kana. Hella nanu.
Yes, sir.
Queen
Sir,
to
king to
C1.
C1.
Correct. Who told that?
Sir, Sujan.
Sujan, correct. Now, correct. Now king kills, queen kills. Now king can't move anywhere. King can't move anywhere. King is. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
King can't move anywhere. King is not in check. This stalemate. White
What is that VV?
stalemate. White to play and produce a stalemate.
Sir, white to play.
White to play. Stalemate. Next move, black is checkmating you. Next move, checkmate is happening. How will you prevent it and draw the game?
Sir, queen to
No, rook moment.
F.
Rook moment. Rook moment.
Sir,
White-
we can make this checkmate only, sir.
Black will, if it is white to play, it is not checkmate. Black to white to play.
Sir, black can make.
Ade,
That's
white
a
to
rook to
play.
rook.
White to play and draw. White to play and draw the game.
Sir, rook to rook.
Two rook to correct.
Rook. Sir, rook to rook.
Now can you tell me stalemate move?
Queen D2.
D2 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣೋ. Queen D1 correct. Queen kills, then it's stalemate. Now soldier can't move, knight can't move, bishop can't move, soldier can't move. This stalemate. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Sir,
ಸಾಯಿನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಿರೋ? ಸಾಯಿನಾರಾಯಣ್?
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
Sir, night ಯಾಕೆ move ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ
Rook ಇದೆ ಕಣೋ. Rook is giving check.
Okay, sir. Sir, pawn ಯಾಕೆ move ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ?
Bishop is there.
Okay, sir, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
This is draw. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Draw ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ, sir. Sir,
ಹಾ ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ವಿನ್ ಏನೋ ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ್ ಏನೋ ಮುಕುಂದ ಏನೋ ಹಲೋ
can you go to the before puzzle?
How many people are there? How many?
Sir, rook to E.
ರುಕ್ ಟು
Sir, the queen is in the
ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ
B6.
A6 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣೋ ರುಕ್
Sir, the bishop is there, no?
yes bishop is there B6
If bishop comes to the F2, then the black
no
will
black
make
white
for
to play
white
not black
checkmate,
to
no,
play
sir?
white to play ಕಣೋ ಈಗ white to play ಕಣೋ not black to play black to play ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, sir.
now white to play rook into d8 now queen d1 ಹೊಡಿಲೇಬೇಕು queen ಹೊಡಿಲೇಬೇಕು it is stalemate ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನೋ
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು
Sir, what if queen doesn't kill, sir?
it will lose black will lose queen into queen black will lose
Yes, sir.
white to play and win tell the best move
Sir, rook to E8.
first move you have to deflect the queen after that you can move to rook to e8
Sir, queen F7.
no first move is rook to e8
Queen
Queen
E8.
kills.
Queen E8.
now
Queen
rook to e8 now it is queen e8 ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ
Huh, sir.
Sir, what if queen doesn't kill? What if queen doesn't kill, sir?
what will you play now what will you play
Sir, rook to D7. Rook to D7.
white to black to play what will you play it is forced to move if it comes here then it will be checkmate here
Today is cleaning day. Cleaning day.
checkmate today is queen's day no ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು
Sir, final.
ಸಾಯಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಓಕೆ
In first move, white tile E8. In first move.
white to play and get a queen white to play and get a queen
Sir, pawn
A7,
to A7.
A7.
Pawn to A7.
A7. Pawn to A7. And
Sir,
pawn to A8.
pawn to h1 then king will move to b7 what will you do
Sir, now pawn to A6, sir.
then
Sir,
king
pawn
will
to
kill this
h6.
pawn
No, it's wrong.
it is wrong that is why what you have to do you have to do one waiting move which is that waiting move it's called zugwang
Sir, king to F4. Sir, king to
f4
F4.
f4 then black will get a queen white to play and win
Sir, pawn to A7.
Pawn to A7. Okay. Then king will move to B7. It is not possible. That is why you have to do one waiting move so that black may take.
Sir, king to H2.
Correct. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Sir, Sujan.
Sujan, correct. Now pawn push. King moves. Pawn push. King kills. Now king is forced to move forward. Then pawn push. Queen. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
Checkmate. What if king moves to C5?
King moves to C5 also same thing. King gets. Now king moves to C5 then also pawn push. Unstoppable queen. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಾವು?
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
White to play checkmate black in one move. One move.
UF6. Rook. Sir, rook. Sir, rook F6. Sir.
You have six, then king will kill the knight. King will kill the
Sir,
knight.
rook F6.
Rook
sir,
F6
rook F6.
is not check at all. It will not be check at all. No, that is also wrong. That is
Sir,
That is
Sir,
to
Sir, knight. Sir,
F5.
knight F5. Sir,
knight F5, then king can go to H8. King can,
Sir,
Sir, not
Sir.
that. Sir.
whichever knight it goes, then it will go to H8.
sir, what if? Sir, what if?
What
Sir,
is
Sir, bishop. Sir, bishop E5.
bishop?
knight to bishop.
ಎಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ. n% ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ, n% ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Sir, pawn to.
Sir, pawn to E6. Pawn to E6.
D6 it is called. D6. Now it is checkmate. King can't come here or here or here or here. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನೋ ಮುಕುಂದ?
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಹೇಗಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸು?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
White to play in checkmate black in one move. One move.
Sir, rook C7. Rook C7.
Then king will kill the rook. n% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೇ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್. ಹಾ ಸರ್. ಸರ್, pawn to A6.
On to BA6 it is called. BA6 it is called. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನೋ? Now king
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
come here or here or here. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? No.
Sir, something went wrong.
No, I'll teach it. I'll not close. I'll close.
ಸರ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಡುವಾಗ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗೇಮ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ಅದ್ರ ಡ್ರಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದಾಗತ್ ಕಣ ಡ್ರಾ ಇರತ್ ಕಣ. ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇನ್ one move. ಆಗತ್ ಕಣ ಡ್ರಾ ಇದೆ ಕಣ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. That then bishop will kill the rook. That is wrong, Shainare. Bishop will kill the rook.
ಸರ್ ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ. ಸರ್ m%.
ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಸರ್
Sir, 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 AB6. Sir, AB6. AB6.
AB6.
Correct.
How is AB6?
Now white to play in checkmate
no
black in
pawn.
one move.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Can you please go back to the previous puzzle, sir?
Sir, king to F.
Sir, Israeli, sir, why can't soldier kill?
Soldier will kill.
Oh, sir.
Now it is n%. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನೋ?
But sir, what happened to the front soldier, sir?
Then king is supporting it. Bishop is supporting it.
Illa, sir, when AB6
That is called
happened, sir,
n% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ. 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಹೊಡಿಬಹುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ n% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ha, okay, sir.
only soldier to soldier it
No
is. Only
soldier.
soldier to soldier. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಇದು ಮುಂದಿನ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ ಯಾತಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್
ನೋಡೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ previous move is here to here. Then it will kill it like this. This is called n%. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Sir, there is no soldier in B6. Soldier in B5.
Yes. Playing checkmate black in one move.
ಸರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು
Castle, sir. Castle.
Castle is correct. Castle is. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? No, it's
Arya,
Castle.
sir. Sir, Arya. Sir, Arya, sir.
King can't come here or here. That's correct. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, queen to e6. Queen to e5.
Queen to
Sir, queen to e5.
will kill the pawn. King will kill the pawn. Only one move is there for you. Only one move.
E7. Sir, queen to E7.
Queen to e7, then king will kill the queen.
Sir,
Only one-
queen to d8. Queen to d8. Queen to
Queen to
d8.
d8, then king will kill. Rook will kill the queen.
Ah, sir.
Only one move.
Queen to D6.
Sir, queen to c6. Sir, queen to c6.
Queen to
Sir, queen to
then
e6.
King will kill the pawn.
Queen
Pawn
to
promotion
D6.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
F8, sir.
Pawn to f8 kill the pawn.
Sir, pawn to F8.
Pawn to f8, then rook will kill the queen. That is
Sir,
wrong.
pawn to F8.
That is wrong. Pawn.
D8. Sir, pawn
Pawn.
D8.
Sir,
What
pawn
will you
kill.
take? What will you take?
Queen to D8, sir.
Sir, knight, sir. Sir, knight. Sir, knight.
Sir, knight.
Knight is correct. Now it is checkmate. King can't come here or here. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
Oh.
White to play in checkmate back in one move.
Oh.
ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸು?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್.
Knight.
Sir, knight to f3. Sir, knight to f3.
Knight to f3, then king can come here.
Sir, queen A5.
Queen a5 ತಪ್ಪು. Then king will come here.
Queen A5.
Queen to a5, then king will move to f6. Only one move. Only one move checkmate. Only one.
Knight to C6.
Knight to c6, then king can go to f4. King can go to f4. Only one move.
Sir, knight E6.
Knight to e6 is correct. Very good. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? Now king.
Yes, Sujin.
ಸುಧನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ ಸುಧನ್?
हाँ सर.
White to play in checkmate black in one move. One move. White to
Sir,
play.
rook E6.
Then bishop will kill the rook. Only one move.
Knight E6.
Knight e6, then bishop will kill the knight. Only one move.
Sir, bishop to f8.
Knight movement. Knight movement.
Knight F5.
Knight f5 is correct. Correct. Now king can come here or here or here or here. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ?
Sir, pawn can kill no, sir.
Pawn can't kill because rook has pinned it. Rook has pinned it. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
हाँ सर.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, tournaments ಯಾರು ವೈಟ್ ಯಾರು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ?
ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅದಾಗ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಅದೇ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಕಣೋ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ ಕಣೋ, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗಿನ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕಣ. ನಮ್ದು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಅದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ
White to play in checkmate black in 1 move. White to play.
Sir, queen to g3.
Queen to g3, then
ಸರ್ pawn push to c7.
correct, very good. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ, very good ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ. So king can't come here or here, correct. King can't come here or here, correct.
Sir, king if sir why can't king come to b7 sir?
King bishop is there, no? Bishop is there. King can't come to a8 because queen is there.
Oh yes sir. Yes.
A8 because bishop is there. White to play in checkmate black in 1 move.
Sir queen to queen.
Sir, bishop to bishop.
Bishop to bishop is wrong. Then soldier will kill the bishop. White to play.
Sir rook to h8. Rook to h8.
H8 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Queen can't come here because it is absolute pin. That's all.
Yes.
ಸರ್ ಯಾತಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಬರಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ?
Queen ಇದೆ ಕಣೋ, ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇದೆ ಕಣೋ. ಕ್ವೀನ್ b2 ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಪಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
White to play in checkmate black in 1 move.
Sir, knight to
Where should knight move?
sir, knight to f3.
F7 is correct, not F3.
Okay, sir.
Now king can't come here or here or that.
Ah, sir.
No, king can't come here or here or here. White to play in checkmate black in 1 move.
ಸರ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ h1 ಕ್ವೀನ್ h1 ಕ್ವೀನ್ h1.
Queen h1 is correct. King can't come here or here, correct. White to play in checkmate black in 1 move.
bd4.
Sir, pawn push to e4, sir. And then knight, sir. Knight.
E8 and knight, correct, correct. E8. Now it is correct. Now king can't come here or here. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ.
Sir, Arya, sir. Sir, Arya, sir.
Correct, Nadia. Very good. Now king can't come here or here. White to play. Oh, sorry. White to play in checkmate black in 1 move.
Sir rook to h7.
Then queen.
Rook to h7.
Queen will kill then. Only 1 move.
Sir, knight on e5 to f7, sir.
Then bishop will kill the knight. Only 1 move.
knight f7 knight
Knight
f7.
f7 is wrong.
ಸರ್ knight g6.
Knight g6 is correct. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು?
ಸರ್ ಸುಜನ್.
Sujan, correct. Now king can't move anywhere. It can't move. No moves are. Soldier cannot kill it because it is pinned. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಸರ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಕಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ನೈಟ್ ಇದೆ ಕಣ, ಬಿಷಪ್ ಇದೆ ಕಣ, ಬಿಷಪ್ ಇಂದ ಪಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಿಷಪ್ ಇಂದ ಪಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. White to play in checkmate black in 1 move.
ಸರ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ g7.
Queen G7, the rook will kill the queen.
Sir, queen G5. Queen G5.
Queen G5 also wrong. Queen G5.
Sir, pawn.
Sir,
Sir, pawn push. Sir, pawn
Then
push to
bishop will kill
E8.
the
Then
bishop will kill the pawn.
Sir,
Queen
queen
movement.
G8.
Queen
Sir, queen
F8.
G8.
Queen F8 is correct. Queen F8 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. What I thought? Now king can't
Yes, sir.
come here. Okay. What is that? White to play in checkmate black in one move.
can you
Hello? China and what is that?
sir, pawn push to F8, sir, and then knight.
Correct.
Yes, sir. Knight.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. White to play. White to play. China and left the meeting.
Sir, bishop to G7. Bishop to G7, sir.
Sir, bishop to G7. Bishop
Correct.
to G7.
King can't come here or here or here. Correct. White to play. Checkmate black in one move. White to play. Checkmate black in one move.
Sir, queen to A7, sir.
Queen T8 is correct.
Sir, queen to B7.
Queen to B6, then king can go to A8, alwa? Queen to B6, king can go to A8. So queen to B7 is correct.
Yes, sir.
Sir, something problem in my sir, there was a problem in my network. So I leave and I off the network and on it again and I joined the class.
Oh, okay.
Today is cleaning day.
Today's white
Cleaning day.
checkmate black in one move. One move.
Sir, rook to H8.
Rook to
H8.
H8. Rook to
Correct.
H8. Rook.
The king can't come here or here. Correct.
So what if bishop is supporting?
Bishop is supporting it. White to play. Checkmate black in one move.
Sir, pawn to G5.
Sir, pawn to G5.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
Bishop is supporting.
Bishop is supporting. White to play.
Sir, I told that move.
Yes, correct. Fine land. Correct. White to play.
Sir, knight to E7. Sir, knight to E6. Knight to E6.
Knight to G6 is correct.
E6.
Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct? Huh?
Knight to E6.
King
Sir,
can't
what if bishop is supporting again?
Bishop is supporting. Now king can't come here. Rook is there. White to play in one move. One move.
Today's cleaning day, Sunday.
Sir, rook to A5.
Rook to A5. is
Sir,
correct.
rook to E6. Sir, rook
Rook to E6, then king will escape.
Sir, rook to A5.
Rook to
Sir,
A5.
rook to A5.
Rook to A5. Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
Knight is supporting, even king is also supporting.
Yes, yes.
If king moves to E6, then king will cut the king.
White to
Or
play.
it's
White
not
to play in
possible.
checkmate black in one move.
Sir, bishop to E1. Bishop to E1, sir.
E1 is wrong. Then king can go to B6.
Sir, bishop D8. Bishop D8.
D8 is correct. Bishop D8. Now king can't come here or here.
Time is
1 minute is remaining.
1
White
minute.
to
No.
White to play. White
Sir,
White to play. White to play in
Sir,
checkmate.
rook to G6. Sir, rook to 6.
Rook to C6. Now king can't come here or here or here or here. Correct.
ಸರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು. ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ. ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ
ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕಣ.
ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
ಮುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ವೈಟ್ ಮುಟ್ಟು. ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ. ವೈಟ್
Sir,
ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ.
bishop to C4. Bishop to
Bishop
C4.
to C4. Bishop to C4.
Can I chant mantra and close the class?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ನಮಸ್ತಂತ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಮೂರ್ತೆ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಪದ ಶಿರೋಭಾವಿ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಾಮ್ನೆ ಪುರುಷಾಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಧಾರಣಿ ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Thank you.
ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ.
Next Saturday we'll meet. You can
Yes,
play
sir.
to
Saturday. Okay, sir.
next Saturday.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Have a nice day, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a nice
Thank you.
day. Good
Thank
day.
you. How was the class? How was the class?
Nice. Very, very nice. Super
Thank you.
duper nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye sir. Thank
Bye,
you.
Bye.
sir. Have a nice day.